we have a plate up on our little demonstration here. All right, same plate you have. This is the skeleton of the fin. We left it as a skeleton so you can see where the snap ring goes. Here is the snap ring groove, and then we're gonna show you how it slides up. All right. All right, there's the bottom of the fin. All right. There you go. Come down. Yeah. So snap ring is in the groove. So we're doing a pull down test here in the shop to show how much weight we can apply to the snap ring, which is all that's on the bottom there to hold that fin on. All right. We're gonna turn on this guy. All right, go ahead, Aaron. Keep going. Oh, Ruddy, can you stand on the back of that? All right, 240 now. Keep going.
Angle it yet?
Not yet. Keep just giving it everything you got. It's still 380. That's all you got? All right, start angling it. Hold on. It's holding at 380. All right, keep going. Down. Easy now, Aaron. Oh, we broke the clip. But we're at 560 and our clip failed. But the fin is still on, tab is still on, and then the snap ring is still on. All right, go up. There you have it.